Print a poster on the large format printer by first moving the printer forward. Add the banner vinyl to the back of the machine. Feed the banner through the gap between the pinch rollers and the grit rollers. Press down on the back lever to hold it in place. Move the printer back in place. Open the front cover. Pull up on the front lever. Move the pinch rollers until they are evenly spaced across the banner. Line every other roller with the blue marks for the grit rollers. The farthest two rollers should line up with the ends of the banner. Press down the front lever. The pinch rollers should look like this. If not, lift the front lever and try again. Close the front cover. Press the Enter key. The printer will measure the banner width. The screen now shows the width of the printable area. On the computer, open VersaWorks. If there is an update, press Cancel and OK. Click File and then Add Job to Queue. Choose QA. Go to the Make of the Month USB drive. Click the 2023 folder, then 2023 May. Click the Monet Waterlilies PDF file, then click Open. The poster image is now added to the queue. Double-click on the Monet Waterlilies PDF, click Get Media Width, then Fit to Media Size. Click Center on the media. Click the Quality tab, and click the drop-down menu to choose Generic Banner. Click OK to save the settings. Click the print icon, then click Print. The printer will print. When finished, press the Function button, then the down arrow twice until Sheet Cut appears on the screen. Click Enter. The printer will cut the printed banner from the media. Make sure to lift the front lever and remove the banner media from the machine. You now have a finished banner.